In this video we are going to show two different methods in which you can cut your wall panel. The first method we are going to use is with a Stanley knife. Flip the panel so the design side is facing upwards. Using the measurements from earlier, measure out the length of the panel. Add a mark at the correct measurement and then using a ruler or spare piece of trim, draw a straight line across the panel. Install a new blade into the Stanley knife and score across the line we drew earlier. Repeat this step a few times. Once scored, apply moderate pressure to the end of the panel to snap it off. The next method for cutting the panels is to use a fine-tooth saw like we used to cut the trims. We only recommend this option if you have a sharp fine-tooth saw to prevent damaging the bottom of the panel. This time place the panel with the design facing down. Again, using the measurements from earlier, measure out the panel and leave a mark at the correct measurement. Using a ruler or spare piece of trim, draw a straight line across the panel. Using the handsaw, cut along the straight line.
If you've got any questions, please give us a call or log on to panelcompany.co.uk. Find us on Facebook or on YouTube. Thanks a lot, guys.